hearty and warm welcome to each and everyone who are gathered here. It's my pleasure to welcome Mrs. Pachenagi ma'am for the event, and I'm feeling happy and proud to welcome the juniors of NSS who are assembled here. Wishing you all to have a great year ahead with NSS. As you all know, today we are gathered here for a debate on the topic paper books versus e-books. So we are going to have a debate based on which type of books you prefer to be the best. The paper books, which is the printed copy of books, which you can get from the store nearby, or the e-books, which is the digital copy of books which you can get online. I hope that everyone is clear with the topic. Now, let me welcome Mrs. Pachenagi ma'am to address the students.
Okay, thank you, Niveta. Good evening, students. No one have switched on your video. I would like to see few people at least around instead of talking to the tiles. Okay, even Niveta was not switching on her video. Now it is there. Fine, it's better at least for, I know bandwidth issues, internet issues, lots are there, but at least for some time, if we all open our video, I think that will be good. Okay, so starting with debate, and if that's going to be a debate, Niveta, are you going to tell them which is the best by the end? You are the moderator,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. In the feedback form, we'll be having a polling where we'll be
No,
saying
after the arguments, will you be telling them whether ebook is best or this book is best? Will you tell them like that?
If we
Yes,
had to
ma'am.
announce, that will be our personal opinions, ma'am, so that like we'll go with the audience, we'll ask them, like we'll
Okay,
take out the
based
best
on the
one.
arguments. Why I ask you this is, students, listen. See, when the word debate, it reckons an answer. If that's going to be a discussion, we can say whatever it is, fine, this is fine, that is fine, and all that. So those are going to argue. It is in your hands. Now you're going to, actually, we are not going to separate you into teams, but you are going to act yourself as a team. So now you will find out the like-minded people from your group. And you can create a good team and you can work on that. So based on your arguments, Niveda is going to give a verdict today. She's going to tell whether ebook is good or paper book is good. But that is not the truth. It might not be the true thing, or it might not be the final verdict. But based on your arguments, today you're going to get a support for your team. So we'll see whether ebook wins or paper book wins. Okay, personally speaking, I am for paper book. I was talking to Pradyuman about that. Maybe I belong to some 2-3 generations ahead. You, all right, 81. I was born in 81. Okay, and I'm used to paper reading, right? Online corrections, everything is really hectic. But I'm not saying no. Okay, online has given me my bread 2-3 years. Okay, so I don't actually despise online. But I'm very comfortable with paper book. I'm very comfortable with paper book, especially finding faults. I'm okay with paper things, right? When I read something, I can easily find faults with this rather than, virtual books, right? So we'll see. Okay, whatever turns up, I'm going to be here. I'll switch off the video because I know when a teacher is there, you'll not open up. Even in my English class, that's what's happening. But you need not do that, right? I'm not going to say anything good or bad about your thing. It's only upon Niveda and Pradyuman. They are going to decide on what is going to happen and all that, right? Then I'm going to be here, listen to what you're doing the next 1.5 hours. Please make use of this time. Get this time to know each other. Try to find out the like-minded people here who will be there with you throughout all your NSS events, right? Very good. When everybody is resting, when everybody is celebrating Diwali, when everybody is eating murukku and enjoying, you can also have it by your side. You can eat, you can drink, you can have a hot chai. It's raining here in Chennai. I do not know about your places, but it's raining here. So I think I have somebody at the door. So I'll go attend to them. All the very best, children. Do well. I'm watching, I'm listening. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so much. So before we start our debate, let me make clear the rules and regulations for the debate. First, make sure that you don't interfere when someone else is speaking. And if someone else is speaking and you have any points to put forward, please will be ready to raise your hand so that we can give the opportunity for you to speak. And even then, if you feel that you didn't get the opportunity to speak, put that in the chat box and we will give the opportunity for you. And if you have any mic issues or if there are any disturbances in your surroundings, you feel free to put your points in the chat box. It will be read here. And make sure that you maintain the dignity of the event, and breaking the rules will be dealt seriously. And remember that you should be present until the end of the event, and you should fill the feedback form which will be provided. Only then the attendance will be provided. Okay, you have any doubts? Is everyone clear?
If anyone has doubts, please raise their hand so that we can clear your doubts.
Okay, I think that everyone is clear.
Yeah. Can I
Yeah.
conclude from this that like you are all people have cleared all the doubts, like you have no questions about the how event is gonna be? So with that note, we can start the event. Yeah. So personally, in my opinion, ebooks are much better than paper books, so that like we have comfort of carrying many books at a time. We can read them at night, and like if we are reading paper books, at what cost? Like when we can do the same thing in ebook without cutting trees, we can make it. If we can carry them like with more portability, then why should we do cut trees and make books out of that? That's my argument. Can anyone put up with this?
I think physical books are more better because when we come for ebooks, we may have like slightly disturbances or interruptions, but whereas when we go for physical books, we don't have. So I think physical books are better.
Yeah, great. Good point. Someone else who is going to oppose this?
Someone?
Books are better than physical books because ebooks are available for each and every person, and but physical books are not available for each and every person. But ebooks we can easily, everybody have smartphones with them, so that they will read easily than physical books.
Great, good
Great
point.
availability of ebooks makes that a very good point. Thank you, Devini. Nagavin, sorry. Is anyone? Okay, first let's take the opinions of the students. Is anyone speaking?
The point you said that the trees, I mean, eco-friendly, that you said ebooks are better, but by breaking our health, like I can't express that. By disturbing our eye strain and like that, I will agree, but we have to maintain our eyes in a proper manner, like we not affect our eye.
Yeah.
I can't.
Like it may irritate our eyes, as Pachiniagi ma'am has mentioned already. Like that's a great point. Yeah, I kind of agree to that point to a lot better, and we have many interruptions while reading the ebooks. So yeah, that is there. Like someone is raising their hands. I think like someone is given some. Okay, ma'am. It's ma'am. Sorry. Does anyone have to speak? Okay, then let's take opinions. Okay, Amit, are you speaking something?
Yeah, I'm actually saying physical books also gives some kind of ambience, and which we kind of lack through the ebooks. They also give us some unique experience, I want to say actually. Ebooks also can't just give some extra. We need to provide internet and all those to read a ebook, but into a physical book, we can just read it normally. Yeah, I would prefer physical books over ebooks. Yeah.
Does anyone want to oppose or support Amit?
What if there is a system crash or something like that? Then all the data will be lost, so there will be no use, right? Instead, when there is a physical books, you can carry or you keep anywhere, you can keep safe. I mean, that depends on us, but not depends on the systems that crash.
can re-download.
Raviteja, yeah, can you come again?
When there is system crash, we can re-download the books whatever we want. It's a matter
Yeah.
of minute and matter of just 10 MB or I think no book is larger than 10 MB or 20 MB size.
Yeah.
At max 10 MB, 100 MB.
So your point is that if we lost something, we can immediately re-download it. There will be no
Yeah.
issue
Yeah.
as you are downloading it for free.
Yeah.
I would like to endorse ebooks here. I think that the accessibility nowadays through the internet is much more than what you can get physically. Let's say a book might take some time to get to you. You might be in urgent need of it. You know, you can get it really in few minutes if you use an ebook.
Yeah.
And the problem of device crashing, you can say there are multiple devices surrounding us. With portability is there. You can, if you don't have one device, you can switch to another.
Yeah.
And another thing being the strain of eyes and distractions. I feel that there are some apps and there are some settings nowadays in mobile phones which you can use at your disposal to minimize your distractions.
That's a great point. And like I have a point to speak in behalf of paper books. There are many paper books that are not available in ebook forms, like many old books. And if there are like if it is not a famous book, I think we cannot find that most probably. And if we find that, it will be having like more cost, like the price of it will be very much. So that like how do you people support this point? Like how do you people oppose or support this point?
The books that are not available in electronic form are mostly old ones. Nowadays, almost every book is having an ebook format. Well, the need I say is more towards new books nowadays. Like majority cater towards new books. They don't feel the need of they haven't felt the need of the need of old books nowadays. So I guess this doesn't pose a major problem for the majority of consumers.
Yeah. So what I say, like what about the pricing of the books? Like if you are not getting any physically printed paper, or like we cannot have the thing what we have, like we were sharing books, like if we are having paper books, we'll share that with our friends. Like if we are having novels, if I buy a novel, I'll read that, I'll share it with Niveda so that she'll read it again, and she can share that with her friends also, so that like we don't have this with ebooks, right? So
Share in
that
WhatsApp.
bonding will be not there.
Share the books in WhatsApp. What's the problem there?
But can sharing the books in WhatsApp can replace the feel that we have here?
Nothing is replaceable with the ambience of paper book.
So that
I also do agree that the ambience provided by paper books are like not.
Yeah. So that's a strong point for the book, paper books.
Yeah. There are like multiple advantages, like portability, convenience.
Yeah. It's easy to carry number of PDFs, number of books in a PDF format in mobile than carrying a bag of books in a bag.
Yeah.
But we don't read multiple books at a time. So we read a book. So I think no need of PDF.
And it depends, like let's say you can get a book for like
depends
free, but I don't endorse piracy here. But you can get a book for free. And let's say you have so many textbooks now in your college courses. You have like 2 to 3 reference books and all. Like let's say, will you be like able to afford everything? Will you be able to buy each and every like 1,000-page books, and like you may like use it just for some set amount of time? Then it may not be like you may not touch it 10 years later or something. So ebooks may make
more sense.
your space clutter free, I guess.
Yeah. So, and like if we buy a book, we should definitely have bookshelves for that. So if we are doing that from our childhood, then we should have at least a room for the books itself. Like many of our previous generations may have done that, but we have all of those at our hand within the tablet or phone. Is that correct, Raviteja? What is that you're saying?
Instead of generalizing as a common solution, we can consider like we can have educational purpose books as ebooks and general fictional novels and as a physical books, and that could be a general solution, like as per the arguments what we have today.
So that we can put up all the points, and then we can come to the conclusion at last, because there might be many points people have to say still. So yeah, like that is a good conclusion, so that like we don't have to waste papers on books or store it, that we don't use once it is done. Like we'll study in the one grade, but the next grade won't be useful. So that's a great point.
If we look at like children's books and all, like like, letting them know about paper books is like a great start, I would say. Like you don't have to worry about the gadget device getting damaged. Like, for children, I feel like paper book is like a great start to get the access.
Yeah,
And
that's great thinking actually.
I have a
even
point.
we have
Altaf Patan,
newspapers.
were you speaking something?
Yes, I have a point on opposition of ebooks. Like, what about the people who does not have the access of internet? Like, few children are studying in villages which does not have access to internet.
Yeah.
So how will they how will they how will they read the ebooks? They need paper books for their reference. So that is a point. Good point. I think so.
You can download those ebooks, right? Like you can download it once. Like
Yeah,
access,
like
having access
No,
once.
sorry, yes.
Like having access once, you can download the whatever you could need, and you can have them like stored
Yeah.
locally.
The thing here Altaf is saying, I think so, is like many people living in the village may not have access to mobile phones or tablets like we have, and they have to have constant internet, like not even like not okay, leave constant internet, at least they should have internet for downloading at some point of time, so that buying a tablet or phone, initial price will be very high, like for the people below poverty line, and people living in the villages and all. So I think that's the point Altaf Patan was like is trying to say. Is that correct, Altaf?
Yes.
Then I feel that like if you don't have a device, I guess you won't be leaning towards ebooks. Like you have access to paper books are accessible to everybody. So like you will be leaning more towards paper books. You'll try buying paper books in that case. If you don't have access to like devices.
Yeah. So it might be a future. Ebooks might be a future when everyone has access to every devices easily. Once we go to another generation, once we get into next generation, most people will have devices at their hand from childhood, I think so. So I think,
and even we have got the geo revolution, and like smartphones are getting cheaper, so payments, and it takes some time.
Does anyone else want to speak? Like just come out and say your opinion. Like I call Ekavira. Okay, anyone can come out and say their opinions. Just tries you.
What I think is like it's completely a choice of a person to go with ebooks or with paper books. But taking this whole pandemic situations in hand, then during this pandemic situation, everything has moved from offline to online. And taking this whole educational sector, then personally I have faced a lot of problem with ebooks. So I will not support ebooks at all because we cannot focus, and it affects our health as well, because going through all the PDFs and everything is very, it's not that much comfortable to go with these things, and everything has its own charm. So what I think is like, if we have book in our hands and if we are reading that book, then we will be feeling every page, and that is something that is really good, and we'll be focusing, and everything will be at a right place. This is what I think.
Yeah, thank you so much, Tejasvi. Um, so yeah, does anyone else want to come out and tell your thing, tell your opinion? I request every one of you to say your opinion. That will make the attendance.
Anyone else who's going to oppose the point? You said,
Yeah.
or shall I call out by names? Is it going to be good? You can come up and give your points.
So now Tejasvi has said that she had faced many issues during the lockdown using ebooks. There was no much proper concentration, and like nothing can replace the touch of paper. Like if you are reading on paper, we can feel the paper. That's what her point was, and she has faced the issues literally. Like she has faced that issue. So like, does anyone want to support or oppose that point? Like, or shall we call out people by names?
Like in this COVID situation, we cannot go outside. Like it is not safe. Many of us are in home. So we cannot go outside. That's why we have an advantage in mobiles. In many websites, we can there is free access to read books. It is an advantage, I think.
Yeah, that's
Great,
definitely
good point.
that's a very good point.
But I want to say that the main thing to of the ebooks and paper books are to read the content, to grab the things. If we will not get the content, then what is the use of that? So I mean, when I use the ebooks and all that, I lost the concentration and all. But the thing is, because I am habitual of using the paper books and all, so mainly I would suggest that paper books are more better than that, as we can collect the more concentration to study and all. Yeah, that's all.
So yeah, thank you, Atul. Thank you for your opinion. That's a very good point. That's a very valid point. So we definitely should have concentration while reading, so that paper books will help to have more concentration. That's a very valid point.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Vignesh, you're audible.
Yeah. So I personally think that paper sense of responsibility in oneself. Okay. This is
Vignesh,
because
can you come again? Your voice is breaking a bit.
I personally hello.
Yeah. Now you're audible.
I personally think that paper books brings us a sense of responsibility. So I myself, when I get a new book, I try to keep it as new as possible, unfolded, uncrushed, which is not possible in ebook.
Yeah.
So this thing is one good, brings us
Yeah.
responsibility in small objects, will help us lead a good life in later part.
It makes us disciplined. Yeah, that's very valid point. Thank you, Vignesh.
Anyone in support of ebooks? Who's going to oppose the paper books? All these points? Who's going to come up?
I feel that ambience is obviously a huge point that paper books get, but accessibility is one thing that's very important in our current situation now. Like you can't buy paper books like as often as you can get ebooks. Like if you want, you can get them in minutes anywhere if you have an internet connection. But paper books, it may take time. You may need to go to a specific store, or you may need to get it from e-commerce sites or something. But the accessibility, like if you need something immediately, something quick, obviously ebooks is the choice to go, I would say. And like you should take care of your mobile phone because it's very expensive. Same way as you take care of paper books. So I guess, but the feel of obviously the feel of a paper book does not come in ebooks. It's just like you're holding a phone and like scrolling through social media or something. This, that's the feel you get. But as far as distractions go, I feel like depends on your concentration. Still, the probability of getting distracted is more in ebooks. And there are some things that you can do, like install some apps or something that restrict your app usage, like a parental control or something. It depends on your mental state, I guess.
Great, good point.
Even I support ebooks because paper books are not much durable as ebooks. Either ink gets fade away or paper starts degrading. But ebook can last almost many years until we save it properly. And books also, we can store 200, like many ebooks in a tiny memory card. But when we want to save the physical books, we need a room, which is highly impossible for many of us.
But buying a book is easier than buying a mobile phone, right? In taking an example of a person who is coming from a poor background family, so that could be also a case. You need to
I mean, you would consider buying ebooks if you have some device, right?
Yeah, but
obviously you would only get a book. I mean, obviously a mobile phone or something is costlier, but the main aim is like not only for ebooks, right? You won't be just using a phone for ebooks. You have multiple. You will be using it for multiple purposes. So,
yeah,
like you
I
would
was
think of using an
the
ebook,
people,
considering ebook if you have a device.
yeah.
Amit, you were saying something?
Yeah, actually, I
Sneha.
was saying some people were claiming we can have some Kindle or something else for having ebooks. So
Yeah.
we can. That's kind of very expensive in terms of a factor of money. So I was actually saying.
Yeah, I think initial investment for ebooks will be high, like when you want to buy a mobile phone or tablet or Kindle. After that, books, like you find the books cheaper. That's
And
there,
it
right?
depends on how much we are reading. I guess. We consume a lot of content. Buying an like a device for reading, suggested. Like
Yeah.
if you like read some, I don't know, like a Kindle costs 8,000 rupees. If your books can cost less than that, obviously your books are easier to buy.
Yeah. Sneha, you were saying something?
We were talking about this, right? So I feel that it is not feasible to use paper books for everything, because if you're going to start up with a research work, there is going to be a number of books that you have to start reading about. And comparatively the rate, that the price that they have been talking, maybe you need 10 to 15 books that you have to mention in the reference for the reference. So when you compare to the price of the Kindle or something, it would definitely match. And more the research work that you do, more and more the quality of the research that would turn up to. So I think I support the ebooks because you can definitely have more references on time, and it also helps us to save the time of our duration of our research work. It would definitely save time and also your effort, because if you're in need of some information, you can definitely have it on time, on the point, in your phone, in your hand. So that is why I do support ebook.
Great. Thank you so much. So anyone else?
When it comes to updates, ebooks can be updated then and there easily. But when it comes to physical books for update, it has to be corrected, then taken for printing, and then published to the public. So it's a time-consuming process, right?
Yeah.
So that way, ebooks are better.
So that like we'll be having many editions correcting the mistakes in that every year in the paper books. So that if you're having ebooks, that will be much easier.
Yes.
Thank you. That's a great point, Shreya. That's a great thinking. And anyone?
And the another point to support ebooks are we can mark passages, save pages, search text before and after. But in paper books, we have to search for a long time.
Yeah. So you can have keywords, like that's great thing. that we do like that do help us in exams while we are writing open books or something like that. Like especially while we are writing online exams. That's my personal opinion. You people may not do that, but I did that.
No, it is actually true with our college. We have 2 to 3 assignments per week, and completing it with paper books are like it's unimaginable.
Yeah. I totally agree with that point. And does anyone want to oppose ebooks? So that
Can I speak?
Yeah, come on. Vignesh.
So there's a quote I'd like to say to you all. Formal education will make you a living. So formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune. So these people who are speaking, who are opposing paper books are concerned with their formal education. If you see research papers, exams, assignments. But if you want self-education, something that you like, something that you wish to do, you have to go with paper books, of course. So that thing I'd like to say. Thank you.
So
I mean, we all are a part of this formal education now. So I guess this point stands.
Yeah, and another thing I have to say, like if I want to do my own self-education, like I might need many books. Like I cannot buy all of those in paper book format. Like it will be very costly. So that like I think that point will not be valid here, as I think
So,
like self-education self-education doesn't have to be in paper books. Like it can be online.
No, what I'm trying to say is formal education here means my degree that will make my living, okay? But
Yeah.
self-education here means hello.
Yeah, Vignesh. I'm able to hear
But self-education here refers to something that you like. So I like gardening. I cannot go have a degree in gardening and studying for 4 years. But I can have a degree in like electronic and communication engineering after 4 years, right?
Yeah.
So in that case, you can go for paper books. So if I speak for myself, means my personal interest is in gardening. So I can buy books regarding gardening. It is not like research books. There are thousands and thousands of books. That one.
Okay. Yeah. So like is it worth cutting many trees for the paper books? Like if we can do that in ebooks like without cutting trees, is it worth it really? Because we cut millions of trees each year for books. So that Rutvika, were you saying something?
Actually, in my opinion, I support paper books. Even though we're cutting trees, we can plant trees, but ebooks will affect our eyes for many people, personally me or like that. So it will affect a lot when eyes are affected, right? So I thought paper books are like it gives more inspiration, and we can concentrate a lot without any distraction and all by using paper books. Coming to cost, no need to buy all the books. We can get some books in library, we can study, and we can return that back. So I think paper books are more good than.
That's a very valid point actually. Like we have libraries if we don't want to buy. We can study there and we can read. That's a very great point, Rutika. Thank you so much for your point.
We are also recycling the papers on a good interval of time. So
yeah.
And also all the trees that are used that are cut are not only used for books only, right? So
yeah, I know that like all the trees are not cut like that we cut are not for papers, but like a reasonable amount of trees are cut for the papers. Like at least like
recycling on a good interval of time.
But we can do that only to one extent, right? Like we can recycle a paper till I think that is 5 times or 7 times. Like after that we cannot recycle the paper. That's the most we can do.
Yeah.
So that like after that it will be any waste of paper. Raviteja, are you saying something? Do you want to say anything?
No.
Like you are messaging something in the chat box. Was that intended to send to everyone or like, to a particular person?
No, mistakenly I sent it. There, actually somebody pinged me, so
Okay.
instead of privately mistakenly sent.
Yeah. Does anyone else have to Do anyone have any other points to speak of?
Okay, let me give some more points. So we are saying that for paper books, we are using the trees for doing the papers. Books are not meant only for papers, right? We can also resell the books. We can have the books. We can pass it through generations. So it does not only mean that the trees are used for making the paper. Actually, the most important thing for which the trees are used is reusable papers, which will be using for exams, assignments. All those papers are cost more than the books, right? So books are something which we can reuse, resell, or we can keep it handy, pass it through generations. We have more and more benefits of books, right?
That's a strong opposition opposing point. Yeah, I agree. So speaking, like, does anyone want to put up their points, or else we might start calling out names and asking for your opinions? Okay, Niveta, call someone out.
Okay, I'll call Lakshmi Sumanayan. Lakshmi?
Lakshmi Sumana.
20 BAI 1089. Are you there?
So listen, guys, like if you're not, we have
Arun Kumawat. I'm sorry if I'm not correct. Arun Kumawat, 20 BCE 1226.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you have to say, Arun?
Yeah, actually, I will support ebooks only as they are easily accessible.
That's the only point. I guess your own opinion on that.
No, actually, all the points are given.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, let me ask you a question for all of you people. How many people have seen our college physically? As we have more here, 2020 batch. How many of you people have seen our college physically? Like, can I, can I have a raise hands option? Ganesh, you have seen college physically. Jayant.
Can you please repeat? The voice
How
was...
many of you people have attended or seen our college physically? Because like when you started studying, that everything was online till now. Like,
I think
19
batch have seen physically, 20
Yeah.
batch haven't seen, I think so.
Yeah, like we have Ruxana, Ganesh, Jayant who have seen our college physically. Are you people living in Chennai?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So okay, so like the people who have not seen our college, you might agree that like how your engineering was completely based on ebooks and all. So that at least I think you might not even have bought one physical book throughout your first year of engineering. We have bought in our first year of engineering, but you might have not did that mostly. And yeah, there you go. Like how important ebooks are to us.
That's really a great comparison.
I think, but in our college, most of us study via that PPTs and notes rather than studying from ebooks. I believe so.
Yeah, that is true. And like how much we struggle getting printouts for CAT to open the exam before the day before the exam.
That can be considered a very good point. Huh?
Yeah. So I think you people, like the batch of people of 2020 batch will experience that once the COVID stage started. I hope that starts as soon as possible. Yeah.
The physical books were only valid during our CAT 2 exam. 20 to 25 students were seen out of the stationery printing their notes. At that time, physical notes were very much necessary, or I will say very well. Ebooks can't everywhere. Ebooks can't take place of the physical books, I suggest.
Yeah, ebooks can't replace everywhere where physical books can replace. And I think we have our everyone here might have written IIT JEE exam definitely. So all we had was exam. Like there was no paper exam, offline exam. So that like
From 19th batch, I think so.
yeah, from 19 batch it was there. Yeah, so that like their main concern was the amount of paper they were using every year for every batch. So that was their main concern for shifting to online exams. So they were so worried about the amount of paper that is going to be wasted for that 1 3-hour exam. So that that is a very great point, because we are writing exam for 3 hours. There will be 20 to 25 papers for each person. So that think the amount of paper that is being used for that just 3 hours, and how much like that paper will be not used again.
So in that conditions where like large amount of paper and stationery are used, in that condition, then ebooks and like stuffs like can be implemented, and where their use is very much minimal. In that case, we think like paperwork will be okay rather than e.
Yeah. Does anyone else have to say anything? Or else I'll call out names. Yeah. So Ganesh, can you tell me your opinion on that? Hello, Ganesh?
Yes.
Yeah, can you tell your opinion? What's your opinion on e-books versus paper books?
I prefer ebooks
Yeah, why?
because you can carry many books at that time.
So can anyone come forward, or else should I continue calling out names and asking for opinions? Yeah, so let me give you some points. Like for pros of books, we have availability. So there we have like many old books. Like if the books are not famous, we might not find it. Like even my father asked me many times, like if this book is available on internet, so that like I cannot find that. That book is only available in physical form. So that availability is a great availability is there in paper books much more than ebooks. Like, do you people like any of you face this issue before? Like finding
I mean, paper books were like the primitive ones, right? They were from the beginning. So like obviously books and paper would be available more. We are adopting ebook now. So I mean, if you ask this question 10 years in the future, I guess some books might have been covered in ebook.
How much time will you like? Do you think will happen to completely transit to ebooks? And do you think the future is ebooks?
Yeah, obviously technology has been integrated in almost every part nowadays. So ebooks are a convenient way of using books. In paper books will be there, but I feel like ebooks will be much more widespread than now.
Yeah. Sneha, you are trying to speak something. Can you come? Sneha?
Yeah.
You are trying to speak something.
Yeah, just a second. Just there is a disturbance over here. One second. Yeah, it was something like I wouldn't say that without ebooks there isn't. I mean, without ebooks we cannot do anything, because before 30 to 40 years we did have only paper books. There wasn't availability of ebooks, you know. So even in that period of time, we did have life. We did have directions without GMAPs. We did have content. We did have a lot of researchers before that, and everything was done just mere with the help of paper books and with the help of physical research works. So it is just because the technology is developing nowadays and we're just adapting to certain technologies, but we cannot totally avoid that paper books are of no use and only ebooks are of future. It is just a, you know, like interdependent one. in which the ebooks takes a higher priority. That's it.
Yeah, definitely. So that I think your point is that ebook paper books are here to stay. Like they are not going away anytime soon. Is that your point?
Exactly.
Yeah. So that, and do you people think like there are many books like those are printed only like one copy or 10 to 15 copies, like with very low in number. Those books are currently in the very big libraries, like very famous libraries and all. So that, like, do you think there is a need to make the convert them into ebooks? Because like once we convert into ebooks, the availability will become much more easier. Do you think there is a need for that? Anyone of you?
Depends on the demand, I guess. People are like requesting for the paper book. Let's say there are, I mean, number of paper books is lesser than the available, like the requested amount. Converting it into an ebook may make it easier for them.
Like if any catastrophe happens, or like if there is any natural severe event there, like so that like the library books are gone, so that like maintaining it in ebook format and keeping up in the internet will make it more possible way of making them preserve, right? So that how many of people support this thing? Sneha, or you were trying to speak about?
Exactly. Like as you said, for the prevention method, it is definitely advisable to convert almost all popular works or like all major works into e-forms, because as you said, there might be a disaster, or like we don't know what will happen next. So converting into ebooks, that would definitely reach a larger number of audience, and also the spread of knowledge to almost or to all the latitudes and longitudes of the world.
Thank you so much for your comment. And that's very important. Like people availability will become much more easier. So does anyone have to add anything? Nikhil, do you have to add anything?
Yeah, so like as she said, like converting into ebook is like the way to go, I guess, even for like passing it on to future generations. While paper books give a feel of like antiquity or something, like you can give someone a paper book and it may have much more value than like sending an ebook or something. Like like the feeling of antiquity will be lost, I guess, in ebooks. But like preserving the content in the book, I feel ebooks are doing.
Definitely. Yeah. Vishnuvardhan Reddy 20 BEC 1279. Do you have anything to add?
Hello.
Hello, yeah, Vishnuvardhan.
Yeah.
What's your opinion?
In these times, the ebooks are very helpful, but according to me, when we have books physically, it is more interactive.
Yeah. Physical books are more interactable and like less disturbance. So that's the point we repeatedly got, and that's a very important point.
Yeah.
So anyone else have to add anything? Names then. Srikanth 20 MIS 1086.
Hello.
Hello, Srikanth. What's your opinion on that?
I prefer e-books than paper books because it is easy to carry. And many books are available in the internet, so I prefer e-books.
So that the strongest point for ebooks today I'm hearing is portability. Is that right, Srikanth? Like, is portability a main concern for you?
For paper books, do you feel that your bond with the seniors is lost because of ebooks? Because I hope that many of you in school will be asking for books during 10th and 12th, right? How many of you face that issues? We'll be asking for seniors that will give us this book so that we know that 10th and 12th portion will be started a bit earlier. So we need to get our books. So we'll be contacting all our seniors and we'll be getting the books. That creates a bond with our seniors,
That
right?
was definitely a great connection actually that we miss today. And we do not have that with our juniors as everything was online from their arrival.
Yes. And we are missing that.
Does anyone like feel like us?
Already, because of this online platform and because of these the restrictions between offline colleges, we have already lost the bond. Like we have missed the bond. So, and like even because of because of ebooks, definitely I would say, because during my 10th and 12th I used to borrow the books, and I would definitely not know them and just like barge into their class and ask some random person, and definitely there will be a new connection between me and them. But here I could say that just because of these clubs and something I was able to know, and not because of books, and that was, I would consider as a disadvantage here. Like I wasn't able to make that connection between, for the books.
Yeah. Like Niveda has brought up many memories that we had, like especially me, like personally me. And there are many memories regarding that. Even in my BTech, like when I was in first year, I was asked my seniors for the books. Does anyone have to add anything?
I just wanted to add a point here. Since everything is so easily accessible through ebooks and everything, so people are losing values. They are becoming more careless. And what I think is like they're not that much focused towards their career. Yes, ebooks is helping us to reach to what we really want, but I don't think so that it is real. Like I feel like there is a lot of distraction more than gaining something. So yeah.
Definitely. That is there. Like, the disturbance, like while reading the books, is a very important point, because like as we are studying, if we are opening our mobile phone to read for Cat 2 or Cat 1, there will be a lot of disturbances in form of WhatsApp and Instagram. So that is definitely there. And I think Nikhil has mentioned that we can turn on our focus mode. We can turn on our parental control so that we don't get those things.
Yeah. Like I personally use an app called Forest. It's on the Play Store. Like you can set some timers and you can like make a list of what apps like will send notifications and all. So in that, like I just the drive PDF here, I'll just allow it, and I'll keep the PDF open.
Yeah.
And I would block WhatsApp on phone. I guess I would have a phone and just I block WhatsApp and social media.
Yeah, definitely. And I think like I know that there is that future, but I am not able to adapt to it. Like me personally, I'm not never able to do that.
Like you got to do what we have. So
yeah, like maybe I'm not that concentrated person myself. So yeah. And I have noted down what are the pros and cons of each thing. Like what from this event, like what you people have mentioned. And we have here still. Let me cover one or two. Shruti Kesavan, are you there? What do we have? Amrita, are you there? What's your opinion?
It's just that I've noticed a lot when people are talking about paper books. They are sentimentally holding a value for the books, be it the bond with the seniors or the ambience, the smell of the book. I just feel that that's what is keeping ebooks.
So that the connection they have with paper books, making them lean toward paper books than ebooks. That's all. Is there anything you're saying? So Amrita, are you able to hear me? There is a disturbance on your side. So yeah. Niveda, can we conclude on that point? So let me mention what pros and cons I have got from this event. So the main pros I have got from the ebooks is portability and the number of books we can carry around. Like if we are going to a village or something like your hometown, you don't have to carry all the books to go and study there. You can just take your phone if you have them in the ebook format. And comfort we have with ebooks, like make notes and all, and sharing the particular point to a person like or your friends, and they are eco-friendly. And there might be more initial price that we had to pay for phones, ebooks and all. After that, they are cheap and free mostly. So, and pros for paper books are availability. Like every book is available in paper book format, but not every paper book is available in ebook format. So that's there. And the feel that we get with paper books, that is irreplaceable. Like I'm all for that point. And there'll be no eye strain, and like we take care of that book. Like someone have mentioned that we'll get more discipline while reading paper books because the way we take care of paper books. So that's there. And coming to cons of ebooks, we have availability that paper books where that's a pro to paper books, and eye strain. So that's the initially the start of the meeting, even Pachanyagi ma'am has mentioned that eye strains problem with having ebooks. And like there is no feel of sharing ebook. If we are sharing our book to our friends or to our juniors, or getting books from our seniors, so there's a feel in that, like there's a connection in that, and that we do not have in ebooks definitely. And cons of books size, like if we have multiple books, we cannot keep carrying them around, and it's kind of affects environment. Like people have mentioned that we recycle books, but at least for the initial stages we have to cut trees, and there are millions of trees cutting down every year just for the usage of paper. So that's there. And this is my personal thing, like I have written down like my idea. We need a light source for reading paper books. So at night we cannot read ebooks paper books without turning on our light. So we can do that in our ebooks. So that's the point I have. And like I feel I read most of novels or books in the night time without turning on the light if I have ebooks. If that is a paper book, I cannot do that. And that's all. Like we should have a big bookshelf, and we should have a like as someone has mentioned, like if you want to store all the books, we should have at least a room, so that like keeping them safe or keeping them in making them as a collection also takes a lot of space. That's a con for the book. These are the pros and cons that we have got from this meeting. And yeah, does anyone want to add anything to this list? Nikhil, do you have anything to add? Shruti, Sneha?
No, I just wanted to know, is there anyone who has not used ebooks or physical books in your life? Is that such a new topic, students? Why are you all suffering for a point? I don't see a point there. Anybody who says, ma'am, I don't read at all, ma'am. Is there anybody who says me that? Such an easy topic. I thought that I have to cut it short. I should ask students to wind up and all that. But really, Pradyuman and Niveda are trying hard. I don't see VITNs here. VITNs are like that. No, we have to wind up the program always. But here, VITNs, You have to buck up. Very slow. I'm not happy.
They have to grab the opportunities.
You have to buck up. Once you come to campus, I think you'll have a different feel.
Yeah.
The time we are giving you all these things. Go ahead, come on. Maybe a few more points we would like to hear. We'll see who comes up. I want to see all those courageous volunteers of mine.
Grab this opportunity, guys. These are the opportunities that you don't get. Like, you can interact with us now. Like, this is where you can say your opinions. Saying your opinions is very important in our society. So this is such an opportunity. Come on, speak up. We have someone.
I don't think that how your English is going to be. Just put your points, that's it. Even I was there in the same situation previous year when I joined NSS.
Yeah.
So just come up and put whatever you think. Just blabber something. Whatever you have in your mind, you can put it out. This is the starting point. No one is going to monitor you and say you're not right, right?
I would just like to add up a point because we've already summed up with all the pros and cons. So I think that the evaluation process of paper books, I think it is very much difficult. And the faculties or someone who is impaired, it is very much difficult for them to proceed with that because it requires a special attention for the impaired faculties to make special provisions for them for the evaluation process. So I think ebooks are better for in the evaluation process.
That like in the starting of the meeting, Pachinagi ma'am has said us that she is facing a lot of issues, especially with the corrections, doing evaluation of our papers, because like she's more used to correct papers in normal format, like paper format. So that so like we are writing our exams in the comfort of our homes, but here some of our faculties are trying hard to correct our papers and like trying coming to the system now. So that's it.
The evaluation is part only not because of the ebook concept and all that. The way you scan, the way you upload, especially in first years, they have done answers in the same question. And Code Tantra does not give me chance to enter marks for what they have not written. So all these things are taken into account. Evaluation is, I think we are deviating from the point. That was personal thing I was telling you, but ebooks and this, we are concerned only with reading. We are concerned with enhancing knowledge. Talk on that.
Yes. Does anyone want to add anything?
Like as ma'am said, like pertaining to the enhancement of knowledge, then it would definitely land into the paper books because, as I already said, if you wanted to do a research work, you definitely have to go through a lot of books in which you tend to search and tend to read it. But here in just one click, you're getting all the research papers and using paraphrasing, you just change the paragraphs and we just submit our own work. It is definitely like if we have 3 assignments, 2 assignments would be our own work. The one would be insertment of other works too. But in paper works, you tend to do a lot more research, loyal and being honest there. I think that would add up more value to the research work and there exists an enhancement of the knowledge also.
Yeah. 3 points. Come on, guys. Many of you have not even spoken a word. I don't want to call out all your names.
I think in ebooks we can have a benefit of what we say, build ebooks.
Can you comment?
Whereas we can have a benefit of built-in dictionary in ebooks.
Yeah. That's definitely good.
when we have any doubt regarding the meaning of a word or any other meaning of any sentence or such.
Yeah, that's the main option in Kindle. So that like we can click on the word, we can get to know the meaning. That I have used many times. Mm,
I would like to add a point. Like, we're
yeah,
speaking about JE means getting converted to e format, electronic format.
yeah,
I feel that we all have access to technology now. So like even newspapers, magazines, and all can be like, converted to electronic format. Like,
yeah,
buying paper newspapers can be avoided. I guess like, we all like consume our information from our devices.
yeah.
So one suggestion would be to like avoid buying paper newspapers.
Nowadays, every website is like every paper is offering their e-format also. I think so. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's very important because like that's also the same thing that we use only for one day. After that, we tend to have new newspapers. That's definitely there. And
I would like to have a personal opinion here. Like others may have a different opinion on this, but I personally feel that in paper books, some of the fonts, the font size of the font, I personally feel that it is too small for me, and I won't feel that much comfortable in certain books, not in every book. So in certain books, I find the fonts to be like very small, in which I feel so much uncomfortable. But in ebooks, I can definitely enlarge it, and it offers us more of a comfortable zone for each and every individual. So
so very good point. Like, and yeah.
A complete silence. Why?
I'm waiting for the points, man. Like if anyone wants to speak up, if anyone is thinking for new points, I was waiting for that. And Niveda, do you want to add
Yeah.
anything?
Both has some advantages and disadvantages too. So I don't know what to conclude. Anyone else?
Suppose we
Yeah.
wanted to a topic like something, suppose we small topic also, like when we scroll through the paper books, it's like we can revise the previous things too. But in case of ebooks, some people will do like search the topic name and scroll that. But in case of paper books, we can get more knowledge and revise the previous topics too. That's the main advantage of the paper books. I think so.
Yeah, that's correct. When we are just turning our pages, we can go through a glance of each topic, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have the feedback form in the chat box. I hope that everyone can access it. Just fill the feedback form and put down which side you prefer. And this will be also considered for your attendance. Any other suggestions? Any points like how was the session? Do you like it? Or is there any issue you need to change in the further events?
Actually, you guys did a great job by giving us opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chandra, like you for your active participation and for your interaction with us. So that we hope to see you actively participating throughout your NSS participation year, and I hope you to see you working for the NSS next year also.
Okay, so we're winding up.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, good. For the first time, it's good. I think you all had an interactive session some 2-3 days back. Hope you all would have known each other. Then why so, I don't know, kind of an inhibition, I would call it. It's not that you don't know anything about this. Maybe you're all angry that during a Diwali holiday you're calling us or something like that, or you have an block that, no, I don't want to talk or something like that. Don't have all that in mind. This is just an always everything is an experience. All right, this is a very good experience. Good that many opened up, many points which I really liked, and you took the debate to the different level. There are few, I do not know because I don't remember all your numbers were there. I couldn't see the names, so names are not there. When you were talking. Okay, very good students. Few students are really good. You just took it to the next level. Good. Happy. Pradyuman and Niveda, very good. You took it in the right way. Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you, students. You can wind up, Niveda. If you have something to say, you can wind up.
Yes. I request everyone to fill the feedback form. Has everyone filled it? Okay, just raise your hands if you have filled your feedback form.
Yeah, after filling the feedback form, just raise your hands so that we can get to know how many of you have filled.
Almost all. Everybody is raising their hands. You can also tell them about tomorrow's event.
Yeah, Vamshi. Vamshi?
Yes, guys. Tomorrow we are having an interactive session with Old Age Home, and you guys will enjoy a lot. Please make sure you attend the event tomorrow. So we'll have some fun session with the generation which experienced the whole life who are ahead of us in such an experience. We'll have a short interactive session tomorrow. So please make sure you guys attend tomorrow. You'll enjoy a lot. Thank you, guys.
Okay, good. Pradyuman, what happened? Everybody have done that?
Yeah, ma'am. Like people are raising their hands. I'll check that. What we thought was we can conclude the event now, and we'll announce a proper result in a WhatsApp group. How many has opted? How many people have opted for each one?
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So, like for me, my personal conclusion for this session was we have to reduce the usage of paper books as much as possible. Like if it is unavoidable, then we have to definitely go for paper books. Like some people cannot concentrate on ebooks, then we definitely should have paper books or paper format there, and especially in the forms of question papers and newspapers and all, where we can avoid things and we can save papers. There we can have e-papers like ebooks, so that we can save our trees. So it's very important to have trees, and that's my personal conclusion for that. And Niveda will conclude it properly.
Yeah, and I was seeing the debate. Most of the students are in favor of ebooks, so they feel that they feel comfortable in ebooks. Like it's portable, it's easy to access. They can immediately get the books before the exam whenever it's needed. So I felt that most of the people are in favor of ebooks based on the debate what it went. So let us see what is the actual ending in the WhatsApp group. We'll be posting it based on what you fill in the feedback form. So yeah, I wish to thank each and everyone who has participated in this event and made it a great success. and I'm very thankful for all the active participation from the student side. Thank you so much. And I would also like to thank Mrs. Pachainayagi ma'am who has given us this opportunity. Thank you so much, ma'am. And we are expecting the same active participation in the upcoming events too. Have a good day. Bye-bye.